Let's take a quick look at what MyHeritage.com can do with another photograph. So this is a picture of my grandmother. I think it's probably her engagement picture. MyHeritage.com guesses at when this took place. It guessed 1925, which is pretty accurate. She was married in 1926. But I applied both enhance and restore colors to it, so you don't have to wait to see what happens. But look at the difference between before and after, which to me is pretty amazing. Eyes look exactly the same, and it really enhanced the photograph. Now, why do you go down this path? I have to tell you that for me, and I think for probably many of you, this can be a rabbit hole, right? This is one photograph. I spent time on MyHeritage. There's many other tools out there that do this, enhance photographs, and it can take an enormous amount of time to do one photograph. I have 150,000 photographs, so I can't do this for everything. So why do I do it? So here's an example of why you go through that trouble in myheritage.com for individual photographs. As I mentioned, I've got a couple 100,000 photographs. I can't do this for all of them, but I'll do it for some of them. This example here is my family tree maker, or familytreemaker.com. It's an older program. I've used it for many years. It works seamlessly with ancestry.com, but it presents my family in some really great ways that I use for gifts and frame photographs or frame portraits that I give to people. And I just really like how it displays data. However, a lot of these photographs that I use come from larger photographs. So, for example, this one here of another one of my grandmothers, she was part of a larger group of people. And when I cropped her from that photograph and tried to blow it up, of course, lost a lot of the detail. So myheritage.com helped restore that detail. Here's the photograph that we were just looking at in the earlier example of my other grandmother. And I wanted her to pop, when I put her into this particular setting to share this. So that's just an example of why I would go through that trouble for individuals and individual faces to make this presentation much more meaningful. For more ideas about how to do these kind of things, please find me at mylegacycloud.com. Thank you.